Hello and welcome to moreveggiesmom.com. If you're not on moreveggiesmom.com and you're just on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and go visit my website. Today I am making roasted garlic hummus. If you just want regular hummus, just don't use the roasted garlic. For our roasted garlic hummus, just take a complete bowl and you're going to cut off the end so that most of the tips are exposed here. There might be a couple that aren't, that are like here on the side. If you want, you can go ahead and just cut those off right there so that they're open. But I think I pretty much got the rest of mine. Then you're going to get a little piece of tin foil, put that right in the middle. And get some olive oil and drizzle just a little bit of that over the top. Then wrap it up. I just give it a little twist at the top. Doesn't need to be anything fancy, and we're just going to put this directly inside an oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. After you've roasted your garlic for an hour, it'll come out looking like this. We're going to squeeze these out into our food processor. We're going to squeeze this out into the food processor. It's going to feel kind of weird. You have to try kind of hard not to get the papery outside in there. Again, if you don't want roasted garlic hummus, just don't put in this roasted garlic, and then you'll just have regular hummus. It's a little sticky. Alright, I got mine. Once you've washed all the sticky off of your hands, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, which are 2 cans of rinsed, drained chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini. You can, I just do store-bought usually because I don't use it very often, but you can make your own. It's just sesame seeds and oil. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, just fresh squeezed that. The tahini takes a little while to come on out of there. And a 1/4 cup of warm water. I'm gonna grab a spatula here, which I forgot about before. It's been one of those days. And we are going to blend this up until it is completely smooth, scraping down the edges partway through, probably a couple of times. Here is our finished product. It took my food processor about 3 minutes, and I scraped it down every minute. And it looks like maybe it's a little chunky, but if you taste it, it's not that chunky at all. You can use this as a dip or a spread. It's really good with anything. Enjoy!